Do you ever feel like your mind is racing? You're overwhelmed or you just can't focus? What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you could calm your mind and feel more present using nothing but your breath? In this video, I'm going to guide you through 3 simple breathing exercises that will instantly clear your head and reset your focus. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share practical tips to boost your focus, productivity, and mental clarity. If that sounds like something you need, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's breathe together. Exercise number 1, box breathing. This first exercise is called box breathing, and it's one of the fastest ways to calm your nervous system. It's used by Navy SEALs to stay calm under pressure. Here's how it works. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. That's 1 cycle. Let's do 3 cycles together right now. Exercise number 2, 4-7-8 breathing. The second exercise is called 4-7-8 breathing, sometimes called the relaxing breath. It's amazing for reducing stress and even helping with sleep. Here's the pattern. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale fully through your mouth for 8 seconds. The long exhale signals to your body that it's time to relax. Let's try 2 rounds together. Exercise number 3, alternate nostril breathing. The third exercise is alternate nostril breathing, a practice from yoga that balances both sides of the brain and creates mental clarity. Here's how you do it. Place your right thumb over your right nostril. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with your finger. Release the right nostril and exhale through the right. Now inhale through the right nostril, close it, and exhale through the left. That's 1 cycle. We'll do 3 cycles together. So there you have it, 3 powerful breathing techniques to clear your mind in just 5 minutes. 1, box breathing for calm. 2, 4-7-8 breathing for stress relief. 3, alternate nostril breathing for clarity. Try these whenever you feel overwhelmed or need to reset your focus. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. Share it with a friend who could use a mental reset, and subscribe for more brain-boosting tips. Thanks for breathing with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.